I got something to say.
Let me guess, it's cold outside?
We gotta get away.
Ooh, it's snowing outside.
My toes in my face. Can't stand the cold.
Oh, come on now. We're not in the North Pole.
It's like a blizzard blowing out
Look at
there.
the beautiful white trees.
I found great deals on Southwest Airfare.
Can we go sleigh riding, please?
I really must say that baby, it's cold outside.
Hey, did you see my new sweater?
I think your sundress is better.
I got new boots for the ice.
I think those flip-flops are nice.
And my scarf and my gloves match my new coat.
I could be sailing on a
Let's
boat.
cozy up and watch the snowfall.
Can't we just play beach volleyball? I really must say that baby, it's cold outside.
I'll put my fuzzy socks on.
I like seeing your toes.
Do you need some long johns?
I'll take a trip to the coast.
Hey, we'll start a nice fire and warm our hands.
I like bonfires in the sand.
I'll bake some cookies for me and you.
Let me make you some of my barbecue. I really must say that baby, it's cold outside.
So now we're back with our family.
I miss Auntie Sandy.
We live with Pops and Grandmommy.
I miss Cousin Tommy.
And we have family gatherings and get to play in the snow.
What was wrong with San Diego?
We're not going anywhere.
I guess I'll have to get some long underwear. I really must say, baby, it's cold. Baby, it's cold outside.